Hey everyone, it's Dave from Curtis Crafts, and today I am actually releasing a model on Etsy, and this is going to be the instructions on how to put it together. Once you've printed out the few files for this, you're basically just going to start sanding everything. Sand, sand, sand. And then I finished it off with some Bondo spot glazing putty and then sanded with some 320 grit sandpaper before I was ready for paint. For part of the hand grip portion, I wanted a pearlized effect, so I went with hydro dipping and got a container and filled it with some cold water and then some black and white spray paint added to the surface. I mixed it around and then dipped the hand grip in the water. You want to try and move the paint on the surface of the water away before you bring the part back up. After that, if you're seeking to do a metallic finish, I find it makes it real easy to coat the entire surface with a gloss black beforehand. For the main color of this prop, I chose to do a gunmetal color, where I just mixed some black and silver together till I found something I was happy with, and then I spray it on with my airbrush. Once it's coated in the gunmetal color, I move on to painting some brass and copper highlights in various places along the receiver. These particular spots will hold 2 of the number 8 screws that are purely decoration. I also use a thin layer of dark brown to simulate wood on the handle. After that, it's on to assembly. The barrel attaches to the receiver with a 3/8 inch bronze bushing. Once attached, insert the Chicago screw through it to dress it up. Next, insert one of the 5/16 inch springs into the back under the hammer, and then attach the hammer with 2 number 8 screws through the side. The rest of the number 8 screws will be used to attach the handle and finish dressing up the receiver. And one will be used to attach the revolver flippy thingy on the left side of the receiver. The number 6 screws are used to do some dressing on the handle, and you will use a washer to space them out from the clip. And all these parts are in the description below as well as with the file. Behind the trigger is where the other spring will go, and this just gives you a little more action with the trigger. Once installed, 2 number 6 screws act as the pivot for the trigger. After that, test all the pieces and then insert the lever action. It'll only go in one way. And now you should have a nice shiny looking prop.
Take my money.
So it's time to ruin it and make it dirty.
Give me back my money.
All I'm doing for weathering on this prop is using some black and browns and putting it all over and then wiping off whatever I can. Using a lot of water and making sure it's really thin. When the weathering's complete, I decided to add one more final touch. I got the Cricut out and started designing some vinyl that would act as an engraving on the side of the barrel. I printed it out in some silver and then applied it to the side. And that wraps up this prop. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for future projects.
Yeah.
Colt, it's the Chief. I need your help.
You know I'm retired.
And you're the only man that can help us.
Okay. But this is the last one.
Thanks, Colt. You have no idea how much we...
I'm killing you, Smalls. Spicy. Mamma mia. Pedal. meet metal. I have the high ground. I'm too young for this shit. Or it's funny is spicy.